Hi guys, welcome back to the cave. This is part 2 of our Clever Ideas space saving series. This one we're going to be messing around with clamps and trying to tidy up our clamps and creating a little clamp wall behind the door. Now I've got my piece of wood measured to the correct size, and what I'm trying to do is just figure out how high I want it to be. So if you're interested in what we've actually achieved, please watch to the end and I think you'll be suitably impressed. Top goes there, bit of clearance off the floor, let's maximise it. Okay, that looks good. I can't see any objections with that, so we'll have that as a height. So what we've got here is some 4x2, and what I'm doing is I'm just drilling some 5 pilot holes in here so that the screws will go straight through and embed themselves into the wall. I don't want them catching on the wood itself, so we're piloting and we are countersinking. Right, let's put that there, get this fastened in, and oops, let's try opening it where it should be open. That's better. Oh, look at that, we've got the bit there for it. Keep that handy. There the kiddies. Let's put a bit of tape back on there. God, this is sticky stuff. Well, yeah, really sticky. T-Rex tape. It's good. And then there. My pencil goes through. Oh, we're not quite there. So it's a matter of tapping the screws through. To get our fixings on the other side. Yeah, that's good, I like that. That one actually can go back where it came from. And drop it down, down there, just to try. That's where we want to be, there. I'm just tapping the screws to make a little dimple in the wall so it gives me an indication where I need to drill. And now we have holes. I don't think these will hold. I'm going to try. I will try. Let's see what happens. Let's have a look. did I do it that way? That's the way I did it. There we go. Let's see if they bite. Turn the torque down a bit. Yeah, they're biting. I think that's all right. If anything, what I'll do, pull them out, whack some dowels in. Let's have a look. Proof is in the eating, eh? Proof of the pudding is in the eating. Bring them up. I've got 4 dog clamps here, 2 different types. What I want to do is just drill 4 holes into the cleats where I'm mounting them. I'm going to go about here. Down there. It was 107 last time, so yeah, 107 is fine. 107. We've got 107 there. Let's square that. Got a decent saw, a half decent saw. I think this one's okay. Come on. One inch in, for, sorry, 2 inches in from that end, wasn't it? 2 inches. Okay, brand new battery. Drill. I'll try that. Spade end. Might do it. If 19 isn't big enough, I have got a 20mm drill bit out there, so I'll be able to get the extra.
There we go.
Spade ends are notorious for breakout, that's why I turn it around and drill through top and bottom.
Pretty good. And now I'd like to put them in like that. I think we have come forward a bit on them though. About there, I think, is centre. And where do we want to be? About there, yeah. So if I do one there. That'll do. That'll do. Or that'll do for now. I could turn them around the other way. But 20 mil. With a 13 mil shank, I think. Yep. And ream it. Look at that! Up here for thinking, down there for dancing. Flipping beautiful. I like that. Bum. Right. Put that there, oil that up for later. And this, oops, can be screwed on. Okay, let's have a look at this now. That's definitely where we want it to be. Right. Drop for a sec. Looks nice, that. Yeah, happy with that. So just to finish off this section with the clamp wall and the industrial racking, this is how far we've got so far. Back of the door as well. That's the racking there. So in a flash of inspiration, what I've done is put all my PPE on the entrance to the cave. So it screams at me, here I am, put me on. And it also keeps it out of the dust and debris of when I'm working in there. Nothing worse than putting a face mask on that's covered in sawdust. So let's have a look inside and I'll show you what we've achieved by this clamp. So on the inside we've got our measuring and straight edges down there, digital angle guides, some scrap wood there, paper tissues for wiping down or what have you, but it would storage up there. Back of the door, there's some pliers and hammers and tape measures, try squares, set squares, mallets, push blocks. And then we've got our clamp wall over here, which is also got screwdrivers, again some set squares, try squares, long handle screwdrivers, long screwdrivers, our long clamps, our tracks for a track saw. Then that's our extendable arms for cameras, more clamps, saws, hacksaws, down there small clamps. Then we've got our racking over here, chainsaws. They'll probably be moved out here, the chainsaws. Don't really want anything in here that will be not be used, so we'll probably move them out. We've got a plunge track saw there. We've got another track saw there, which is it's not a plunge one. Polishing wheel, Triton router, good router that, really powerful. Polishing wheel, compressor. Then we've got a drill press. We've got another grinder there, and then all that stuff in that corner there, all that's going to be moved. And what we're going to do is put some shelving brackets across there, just to store boxes, shadow foam. Well, I've got to put a shelf up, just going to put the brackets up and maybe some slats or lats if you like, and just put a few things up there, get rid of all that. So the next job is to tidy that corner. That would be part 3, but this is the end of part 2, and that's what we've achieved. Try and get you a bit more of a better view of it. Try not to trip over anything. Yeah, and that's what we've achieved.